A simple example. A small kid is there. The mother is trying to feed. Arey, thinra, 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 thinra. Eat, ra, eat, eat, eat. He never going to eat. He never going to eat. But he told multiple times, I have to beat that person. There is one person in there. He beated this kid. One time, a small elder kid is there. He beated this kid in while playing. He beated this kid. Okay. Then automatically the mother asked, Arey, that day, have you remembered that so and so, some Ramesh, beated you? Ah, ma, beated ma. Like, beated. Like, do you want to beat again that person? Yes, ma, I want to beat that person definitely. Like, yeah, if you want to beat that person, you should require energy, right? You require energy, right? Yes, energy must be required. So, why if that person beated you? Because you are weak, you are small. That's why you can't fight back, right? That day. Okay, do you want to beat that person? You want full energy. Why don't you eat? If you are eating full energy, then someday definitely you are going to beat that person. Observe a small technique.
Yes, sir.
So, mother not asked eat the food. Mother identified his desire and then he linked his desire with the work, mapped that alignment is happened. Then obviously, ma, can you please bring some more food? I want to get full energy. I want to beat that person. Bring the more food, ma. Forget about beating. First, the kid is going to eat, right? That's the next. Do you know? One time, there is a kid is there. The small kid, they're always wetting the bed with a susu. The kids are usually right. The parents are not in a position, not in a position. How we can stop this habit? Because every day wetting the bed on the same bed, they have to sleep. It's a bigger problem. Then what one day they did is they went to the shop. Array, if you have your own bed, then it will be the good, too good, right? Like whatever the bed you require, please, we will buy like. Then, I want this bed like, okay, better to buy because they require the new bed anyway. Buy this bed. Array, this bed is yours, Sarah. If you allow, we will sleep. Like, so are you going to wet this bed? No, this is my bed. No, this is my bed. Then that day onwards, he's not going to do sisu on the bed because because it's a desire. I have my own bed. Oh, this is your own bed. Then obviously you are not going to spoil, right? Observe that. Multiple examples. Every day is applicable, man. So never concentrate on what you want. Always think about what opposite person requires.